Welcome to this video on what is AI. We'll be understanding the mechanics and impact of artificial intelligence, a technology that is quickly reshaping our world. We begin by establishing the foundation of this technology, defining artificial intelligence as a pivotal force in the 21st century. Artificial intelligence refers to a computer system's ability to perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence, such as visual perception and decision-making. Unlike humans, AI uses mathematical models and computing power to identify complex patterns within data structures. The evolution of AI began in 1950 with the Turing test. The term was officially coined in 1956. Key milestones include Deep Blue's win in 1997 and the deep learning revolution starting in 2012. We are now in the generative AI era. AI systems are classified into three categories. Narrow AI is designed for one task, like Siri or facial recognition. General AI is hypothetical, possessing human-like intelligence across all domains. Super AI is theoretical, surpassing all collective human intelligence. This visual further illustrates the distinctions between narrow AI, general AI, and the theoretical super AI. Machines learn through a four-step process. It starts with data ingestion and pattern recognition. Then, the model engages in iterative learning by testing itself and adjusting parameters, ultimately leading to prediction. This diagram visualizes how machines learn, moving from data ingestion to pattern recognition, iterative learning, and finally, prediction. Machine learning is the foundation of modern AI. It involves using algorithms to parse data and learn from it, allowing the machine to make determinations or predictions without explicit programming. Instead of explicit instructions, machine learning relies on being trained with large amounts of data and algorithms to develop the ability to perform a task. The neural network architecture processes data through three stages: the input layer, the hidden layers for processing, and the output layer for decision-making. The core of the work happens in the hidden layers, where artificial neurons process information hierarchies and assign weights. The exponential growth of AI is evident in the compute power required for state-of-the-art models, which has doubled roughly every 6 months since 2012. This growth trend illustrates the rapid acceleration of AI capability driven by increasing computational power. AI is already prevalent in the real world, impacting mobility through self-driving vehicles and healthcare with diagnostic AI. It also drives creativity through large language models and image synthesis. We see AI's current applications spanning across sectors like autonomous systems, medical diagnostics, and generative content creation. As we conclude, let's reflect on the quote by Sidney J. Harris. "The real danger is not that computers will begin to think like men, but that men will begin to think like computers." This thought-provoking statement encourages us to consider the social and cognitive impact of AI. Artificial intelligence is not the future, it is the present. For more information, visit www.intelligence-future.ai. Thank you for watching this video.